Greetings, fellow visionaries. Welcome back to our channel where we unlock the secrets to success and financial abundance. Today, I have an exclusive for you: 10 assets that will make you rich in 2024. Get ready to skyrocket your income and revolutionize your life. Asset 1: Cryptocurrency. As we step into a digital future, investing in cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum can potentially yield massive returns. Stay updated, study trends, and ride the wave of this groundbreaking technology. Asset 2: Renewable energy. As the world becomes more conscious of sustainability, investing in renewable energy sources like solar and wind power is not only ethical but also highly profitable. Tap into this booming industry and secure your financial future. Asset 3: Artificial intelligence. The rise of AI presents limitless opportunities for growth. Invest in companies developing cutting-edge AI technologies or explore AI-based startups. The potentials are endless. If you are new to our channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Asset 4: E-commerce. The future of retail is online. Dive into the world of e-commerce, capitalize on the convenience it offers, and build a thriving online business. It's time to claim your virtual storefront. Asset 5: Virtual reality. The immersive power of virtual reality has the potential to reshape industries like gaming, education, and even medicine. Invest in VR tech companies or create your VR content, leading the way in this burgeoning field. Asset 6: Biotechnology. Our understanding of biology and genetics is rapidly advancing. Investing in biotech companies focused on breakthrough medicines, genetic therapies, or cutting-edge diagnostics could be your ticket to immense success in the years to come. Asset 7: Cybersecurity. With increased reliance on digital platforms and the constant threat of cyber attacks, the demand for robust cybersecurity measures is skyrocketing. Invest in cybersecurity companies at the forefront of protecting our digital world. Asset 8: Green infrastructure. In a bid to combat climate change, countries worldwide are heavily investing in green infrastructure projects. Seize the opportunity by directing your investments towards green technologies, sustainable housing, and renewable transportation. Asset 9: Space travel. As space exploration becomes more accessible to private entities, investing in space tourism companies or space-related ventures could launch your wealth to unimaginable heights. The sky is no longer the limit. It's just the beginning. Asset 10: Mindset. Your greatest asset is what lies within you, your mindset. Cultivate positivity, embrace continuous learning, and cultivate resilience. With the right mindset, you can conquer any challenge and turn obstacles into opportunities. There you have it, my friends, the 10 assets that will make you rich in 2024. Remember, knowledge is power, but action fueled by passion and determination is the key to unlock your financial success. So, gear up, seize the moment, and let's make 2024 the year of prosperity. Stay tuned for more life-changing insights. Until next time, keep dreaming big and achieving even bigger.